Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a peranakan dishes, which is called tamarind prawn. Okay, as the name suggests, it's basically frying prawn using tamarind or Assam. So it will be easiest if you can find the tamarind puree like this. Okay, any brand will do, because puree is you can use it right away. If you buy the raw tamarind, then you have to do a bit of work on it. Okay, so I have 1 big spoonful of tamarind puree here. About 150 grams of prawns, devein and trim. Okay, usually when you want to trim your prawns, you will want to trim the leg and the pointy part here. Okay, and of course you want to devein here. I have 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce here, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. Okay, so very easily at first we just want to marinate your prawn with the seasoning here. This is a super easy dish. Light soya sauce, white sugar, and some dark soya sauce for the caramelized color. Okay, then you can usually I'll just use my hand to mix them nicely, evenly. Actually, even before cooking, you can already imagine this dish is going to be extremely appetizing because of the tamarind, the sourish feeling for the tamarind, and a little bit of sweetness coming out from the sugar itself, and the savory, from the light soya sauce, saltiness from the light soya sauce. Okay, alright, so we're just going to let this marinate for about 10 minutes or so before we pan fry it. After that, it is done. It is that simple. Okay, so if you're using stainless steel wok like Appa, you should add some oil first, then only you raise the heat. Okay, I have put in about 3 tablespoons of oil here and already heated up. Then we can put in the prawn. Basically, stir fry time should be somewhere around 3 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes maximum. Okay, try not to overcook your prawn. I'm going to use this to help me. Ooh, super fragrant. Okay, so I'm just going to flip few rounds, and total cooking time about 3 to 4 minutes. We will come back shortly. Okay, don't use too high heat, because you added the dark soya sauce and the sugar. If you use too high heat, then the prawn may get burned even before it is cooked. So what I did was I'm actually using medium heat right now to slowly pan fry it. This is actually the caramelized color from the sugar and the dark soya sauce. Not really chao da yet, don't worry. I'm using a new hob, so I'm still trying to accustom to the temperature. It is much hotter than my old ones. My old one is not very hot. Okay, look at all the prawns getting more and more beautiful. Okay, I don't mind giving it a bit of southing wine, just to choke the wok a bit. Okay, it's basically done. Okay, the southing wine, I confess, I admit it's not really the Nyonya style. I added it myself, just to give it a little bit of juice. Yeah. All right, done. Look at how beautiful it is off the fire. Okay, so here's my Assam prawn or tamarind prawn. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Remember, you don't want to overcook your prawn. Usually about most prawn can be fully cooked within 3 to 4 minutes. Okay.